everybody, right here in today's video I'm gonna talk to you about the flea market right here behind me. And as you can see, this place is full of colors. Many people come because all these toys and more. Okay, it's cheap, so it's not so expensive. I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you what kind of products they have and the prices as well, because this is something important. A flea market here in Lima downtown. Let's go. I'm walking right here in the flea market and there are pretty interesting things, like action figures right here. There are things that are on sale, as you can see for sure, like some t-shirts right there behind me. And we're still, I was saying hi right now. Like different toys, and the prices are not so high. They are not so expensive. Look, we have like some Hot Wheels right there. And we're still walking around this place. I love the flea market. One of my recommendations, everybody, if you are thinking of coming to this place, is to not come alone. All right, come with some other people, maybe your parents, your friends, an uncle, an auntie. It's kind of crowded. Okay, also make sure you have cash, because I don't know if they all accept like Flea or Japanese, so make sure you guys have enough. All right, as I said, most of these things are cheap because, well, they are not all of them at least are new. Okay, some of them they are. And yeah, if you guys want to know where is this place, this is in Lima downtown in Alfonso Garte Avenue. There is a metro, so right just one block next to metro you're gonna find this place. And if you got hungry for some reason, everybody, so you can come and have a snack right here. You can eat something. I mean, the flea market have it covered too. Just to make sure you guys don't come the right time, this flea market or toy market in some cases, it's usually open on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So make sure if you guys are coming Saturday and Sunday, please. This is it. This is all, everybody. This was the flea market right here in Lima downtown. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, as I said, please come with somebody, have cash, and look around. Maybe you can find the next present for Christmas or maybe birthdays or something. I mean, the prices are not so high. I mean, you have things from 10 soles, 5 soles, 20 soles, and so. So this is it, and see you in another video, guys. Bye bye.